Good day, boys and girls. Before we get started on today's lesson, I want you to look at the top of page 155 and make sure that you write your name in the little green box. This lesson's essential question says, how can we change the way objects move? Engage your brain. Find the answer to the question in the lesson. How is pushing a swing like pulling a wagon? A push and a pull are both what? Make sure you come back to this at the end of the lesson and fill in your blank. For our active reading today, we're going to fill in our lesson vocabulary. I want you to preview the lesson and write your 3 vocabulary terms on these 3 blanks. Pause the video and take a moment to take care of that. After you have written your vocabulary words, I want you to flip your paper over to page 156. Page 156 says, in full force. What makes the wagon move? The girl gives it a push. A push, bold print highlighted vocabulary word, circle it. A push moves an object away from you. Underline the definition. And there's an important word in the definition that helps us remember the meaning of push. A push moves an object away. Circle the keyword away. Away from you. The boy gives the wagon a pull. A pull, bold print highlighted vocabulary word, circle it. A pull moves an object closer to you. Underline the definition. And there is another important word in that definition. A pull moves an object closer to you. Circle your keyword closer. Pushes and pulls are forces. A force, bold print highlighted vocabulary word, circle it. A force makes an object move or stop moving. Underline the sentence with the definition. When the girl and boy push and pull the wagon, it starts to move. The caption by the little girl says, draw yourself pushing something. The base word right here in this is push. So I want you to draw a quick picture of you pushing something away from you, just like the girl is pushing behind the wagon. Pause for a moment and take care of that. Then look at the next page, 157. On page 157 it says, draw yourself pulling something. The base word for this is pull. So draw a picture that shows you pulling on something like the boy is pulling the wagon closer to him. You may pause the video and take a moment to draw your quick picture. The active reading says, find the sentence that tells the meaning of force. Draw a line under the sentence. Did we already take care of that? Yes. A force makes an object move or stop moving. Flip to the next page when you're done. On page 158, the title says, using force. Look at the pictures. How does a force move a ball? A force can change the way an object moves. It can change a ball's speed or direction. As my puppy jumps up on the couch next to me. So it is important to pay attention to this sentence. A force can change the way an object moves. And two ways it can change the way an object moves is the speed, so faster or slower, or direction, which way it is going. Changing speed. Force can change an object's speed. It can make something start moving or stop moving. It can make something go faster or more slowly. What is going to happen to the ball? Question. You can kick a ball to make it start moving or go faster. So what is going to happen with this ball? Pause the video and fill in. And then look at the next page. On page 159, the caption says, "You can catch a ball to stop it." The directions for this box says, describe how the motion of the car changes. So you'll look at number 1, and I see some larger rabbits standing behind two little go-karts with two smaller rabbits. So the motion is going to change, and number 2 shows those same two smaller rabbits, and it looks like they are going down a hill with the lines in the picture. Then I see number 3 shows some rabbits gathering around them, and it looks like they crossed a finish line. So describe how the motion of the car changes. So what is happening here in number 1, to here in number 2, to here in number 3. Pause the video and take care of that. Then turn to the next page. That is the end of part 1. You may play part 2 when you are ready.